Hello everyone. Now I would like to explain about array. There are two arrays, one-dimensional array and multi-dimensional array. Now I would like to explain about the one-dimensional array first. Now array or often called arrays are useful for the sort value, sorting a value of data that have the same data type. Its data memory, address, or copy or location are different. Each value or data in the array is called an array element. Each element of the array are identified using an index so as to access where an index value must be contained in it. Index on array element start with 0. To declare the program by array in C++ language can be done by using the square bracket. The general from declare array is as follows: data type name array or number element array. So that in example, in array line is index equal 10. In the example below, syntax will declare on application with the name of the array length and use integer data type that have a number of elements of array by 10 elements. To access the array element can be done by writing the index number of the array element to be accessed. For example, if you want to retrieve the value contained in the 5 element and hold the value into an integer value, example A, then the syntax of the program will be A equal array for index 5 index for index have 5 elements because array index always start from 0. And then to access the index of the element 5, the index tag is 5 to 1, so it will access the index of an array element of the fourth. Fill and displaying array element. To fill in a value into the array element can be done by introducing a value to each element. For example, A index 0 equal 1, A index 1 equal 3, A index 2 equal 7. Another way to fill in the value of the array element is to use repetition looping. For example, if you want to fill an array of 10 elements, we can write the following for loop syntax. Like the structure loop we can use use array in loop statement like array b, the name b, and index c, and then we use loop to input the index of c. To display array element can also use the same concept as charging the array element. So this example to show the array in the looping. So I want to copy it to run the program to show the array of looping. We choose MPT project and then click on the source file, add new item, zip file, and pass the code. We declare an array that has index 10 and use for loop for count c, integer c, a variable c that have a data type integer. We count c of array. We count amount of c from 1 to 10. It means array from 1 to 10. We include array from 1 to 10. And increase 1. In this, the same of c integer. D, we declare a variable d in the data type integer, and we print d plus 1, and this we include the index of array from the keyboard, and this will not input the index of array. We use the index of d of loop from 1 to 10 so that we run the program to show the result. Wait until the program process. This is the first loop process. We include the element of index 0 equal to So then we include the value of index from 0 to 10 to 9. It means 10 index. This is a value, and this loop print the statement and d plus 1. It means d equal 1, so that d has the value from the array index 0 like that, and print it to the screen from d equal 1 to 10. We include array of d, the value array of d, and then array of d has the value of array of d to print to the screen, so like that. And then we go to next array. The next section, we're talking about array initialization. In initialization, the element of array can be directly declaration, filling an array element directly, useful if the corresponding element of the array is not filled with the new value. The general form of initialization is as follows: data type, name array, total array, and value. We have an example to array initialization. I copy from this slide to show an example to you. Enter project name. Where we declare an array of A at that index equal 5 and value of index first equal 10 and second index equal 20 and third index equal 30 and 4 index equal 40 and the last 5 index equal 50. And we start run the program and show the example, and I will to explain with the code. We print this statement to the screen like that, and we print a index 0 equal a of index 0. So we'll be print this value to the screen, and a index 1 equal index 1. So 20 print to the screen of a index 1 until index 4. It means for 5 elements start from 0 to 4, 5 elements, 5 index. And this a equal 12. We declare again a if a equal a index 0 equal 12 and a index 1 equal 25. So we print it again, start from 0 to 4 indeed. It means 5 indeed. So a index 0 and print cut the value from index 0. A index 0 equal 12, not equal 10. And then a index 1 equal 25. We will be print and cut the value from the a index 1 equal 25, not equal 20. And other we not declare again, so that we will cut the value from the index before, like index 2 equals 30 and index 3 equal 40, index 4 equal 50. So like that. This is an array, one-dimensional. So I will to show the other array in this section. Sort value on array. Sort value on array. One of the problems that after arrays when using array is to sort the value contained in the array element. For example, if you want to search for and display the value that have been entered on the array element, and the element get what the value that's stored. So I have an example to solve this problem. nama. The program will be print 3 statements to the screen. This statement nama, tilde, and ID, and nilai pada to the screen, and do loop from 0 to 9. It means 10 elements, and increase one by one, and print the index of C. It means index 0 to 10 to 9 to the screen, and we input the value of index. If like that, index 0, I get value equal to 1 equal 4, 2 equal 3 until 9 equal 5, and then print this statement to the screen too, and I input the value equal 5, so like that. And for loop will be do if the condition is equal, if the value from of index that I input equal the variable nilai, so that will be print and get the value get the index of D to the screen. It means I import the value from index 0 to 9 of C C, and then I input the value 5, so that in index of C that have a 5 value or no, so will be print index third index and 9 index, like that. Third index have value 5 and 9 index have value 5 too, so like that. I want to run again. input the value different from index 0 to 9. So 9 not so an index. It means for the for loop not do because wrong condition. Yes, and now I would like to explain the other program, other section, like array of character. In the C++ programming language, character set call the tag string. Use your array with element of type character usually keep sequence of character. The general form for declaration array of character type are name array, char, and element of array. If you want to declaration variable with 6 characters, then the example of the syntax is char my name 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 set value last character. The last character slash 0 is called with the null character. The character which is used as a terminator of a string in the C++ programming. To simply the writing the involving error and simplify the writing the character below, writing into char name, char my name 6 Hasya size of data type char is 1 byte. So the size of the memory request of the declaration about 6 bits, like that. So this example to solve the problem in array character. Namaku, namamu. My name and your name. Tasya. What the difference of my name and your name? So I would like to print it to the screen. Print it to show the result. So now my name and your name equals 6 same. Namaku equals 6 because Namaku start from index 0 to 5, mean 6 character. You can index 0 equal A, index 1 equal A, index 2 equal S, index 3 equal Y, index 4 equal A, and the last index equal slash O, but slash O not C. And this Namamu equal 6 characters too, because it cannot count from index 0. It start from index 1 to 6. So the code run like that. So Namaku equal 6 character and Namamu equals 6 character too. So I will start explain the other section, talking about multi-dimensional array. Multi-dimensional array is an array that consists of multiplied subscript array. Two-dimensional array will have two subscript array, while the array will have a three-dimensional array, subscript 3, and so on. Multi-dimensional arrays are often used to perform the calculation using matrix. Two-dimensional array have two subscripts, the row and column. The general form declaration two-dimensional array in C++ program language is below: type data, name array, total element row, and total element column. So I will use the code for example to you. This is a code of matrix that's all about the multi-array or two-dimensional array. There are three rows and 2 columns. 3 rows and 2 columns, and we input the value of matrix from the keyboard. From index of row 1 of index of column 1 okay. To index of row 3 and column 2. Like that. From B, same A have 3 rows and 2 columns. We calculate a plus addition of AC equal A plus B. So A plus B, index 0 of A plus index 0 of B. Like that. C equal A plus B. It means index 0 of row 0 and column 0 of B of A equals 3, with 3 plus 7 equal 10, and 2 plus 4 equals 6. 4 plus 3 equals 7. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 5 plus 4 equals 9. And 6 plus 6 equals 12. Yes. The multi-dimensional array is easy to do the matrix, calculate matrix. And I would like to explain the next section. The next section talking about initializing multidimensional array. Just as one-dimensional array, multidimensional array can also be initial value then by process the element. There are several models of initial value can be performed on the array. Namely, example 1, in A, row of A equals 3 and column equals 3. And example 2, like that. I'm sorry. Have a set, 3 set and 3 elements, different from the value, the variable A, different from array A. So I would like to do the example to solve the problem. The example shows us the row of array equal 2 and column of array equal 4. So like that, A row, first row and second row, and in the first row have 4 columns and cut a value from the set from 1 to 4, and then the second row have 4 columns and cut the value from 5 to 8, 4 value. And I would like to show B to what difference of three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we will follow the same. So, what difference? What difference? This example. Yes, they are the same. The same result. We can declare array of character, array like that or like this. Same. You can choose another one that you like to use to write the program. So my explain about the array is finished. Now I would like to say goodbye. Thank you that you listen to my explain. Thank you. Goodbye.